Hey, Gary Baker here with you from 30minutemarketing.net. Today we're taking a look at Polaris from Jono Armstrong. Check out the screen right here. Attention, marketers, overpaying for funnel software and traffic. The world's best auto funnel software for unlimited commissions and leads from free viral traffic. Make sure you focus on leads from free viral traffic because I'm going to show you inside of the software. And when you see inside of the software, there is going to be some traffic training that is provided when you purchase the $17 front end, but it's not from a free viral source. It is paid traffic. And before I show you inside the software, I want to talk to you a little bit about how I got access to the software because it's part of the story. And I think it's important for you as a marketer to learn how these things work. So what I'm going to show you is an email that I received from Jono Armstrong about the SendBuddy 2.0 launch, where he is giving beta access to Polaris, the product that we're going to look inside here in a minute, away as a bonus. Actually, he's not giving the product away as a bonus. If you read the fine print, he's giving you beta access to his next launch so you can become an affiliate for Polaris. And the angle here is that he's giving you beta access before anyone else, so you can use SendBuddy 2.0, which is a traffic generating type software to generate traffic for the Polaris launch. I purchased SendBuddy 2.0 via Jono Armstrong's affiliate link. And as you can see right here, if I scroll down, this is inside of JVZoo. You can see bonus from Jono right here. I click on the link and what do I get? I get my download your bonuses below and I get my beta access. And of course, as you can see here, this is a JV partner at username. So what this is a JV partner access account, which JV and affiliate now go hand in hand, even though they aren't the same thing. So simply moving forward, and now I'm going to show you inside of Polaris, because that's what you're here for, I'm going to click access here. This is the first issue. The first problem is your connection is not private. So if you see this, that means the SSL cert and the secure connection between your client and their server is not secure. So Google is going to tell you, just like any other browser out there, to back away safely, or you can click advanced. Ignore this warning and you can move forward. For the sake of this video, so I can show you inside Polaris, I'm going to proceed unsafely to this software. Then I'm going to log in with the credentials that I was given in my free bonus. And as you can see, these credentials do not match our records. So what did I have to do? I had to stop and I had to go back and send an email for support to Jono to get access to my beta access, which I thought was going to be my own individual account. But again, maybe I didn't read the fine print in the email because it did say want beta access to my next launch. Take that for what it's worth. So I did send an email to support, pick this up by your link, and the beta access to the Polaris doesn't work. I would imagine the password got changed by another person that thinks, as it should be, that this is their own private account to access your product, not a group JV account, meaning it's not my own personal account, so I can use and test this product to actually give a real review by connecting my autoresponder, which is part of the process inside of Polaris. I get a response, we'll fix it. Great. That was about 8 hours ago as of shooting this video. So I went back, click signed in again, go ahead, enter my password. Lo and behold, it wasn't fixed. So what did I do? I went out and I actually found the JV document with the same JV access that he gave everyone for free, and I was able to log in. So here you see inside of Polaris. Now, I'm going to show you real quick inside of Polaris. What you see here are the categories. You get affiliate marketing, email marketing, general marketing, and what this is a bunch of products and or funnels. Really, they're the same thing, but what they're doing is they're going to give you done-for-you funnels, and really there's nothing wrong with this part of the software. Now, the issue I do have with this is that a foundational piece of becoming an affiliate marketer and starting online business for yourself, is being able to create these types of pages on the fly, as well as to change them as needed, specifically when you're running paid traffic, because you're going to need different variations. With a tool like this, you only get the variation they provide. And if your ad doesn't work, what do? You don't really have the ability to customize it as much as you would if you were to go and get a trial to ClickFunnels, get a free GrooveFunnels account, buy your own hosting, grab a free page builder, or purchase something like Thrive Architect. Because at the end of the day, are you saving time? Are you saving money? it's something to think about when you're building these types of things. You're going to see here, you're going to see some Polaris funnels, and you can see here you got affiliate marketing, ClickBank high ticket, dating and relationships. And to view these funnels, you simply click on the little eyeball here, and it's going to take you to the software where you're going to see the funnels that they're going to build for you are going to allow you to automatically create these things and give away these products that you see here. 5 tips to becoming a super affiliate, make money with affiliate marketing, WP affiliate funnel builder, commission hero. Now this one, I don't believe, as well as CB University, there's actually a product that you give away. These other ones are PLR products, are products that were created by Jono and or his partners and are given you to use as lead magnets. So what happens is for Commission Hero, you can see right here, you click Create Funnel, but we'll go ahead and just preview the squeeze page. And here's your squeeze page, #1 ClickBank affiliate in the world reveals. And then you have a little squeeze page right here with some other information. Again, very basic, enter your name and your email, and I'm going to show you where you set up your autoresponder here in a second. And again, you don't really have the ability to modify this much. You do have the ability to change it a little bit, and I'm going to show you that. So that's the squeeze page. Then if you want to preview the thank you page, what happens is you say thank you for subscribing, and then you have some other superior singing method and a picture of a cat here and talking about real estate. Not really sure how that goes with thank you for subscribing to get more information about Commission Hero. But again, that is part of the issue that I have with this, is how much power do you actually have over customizing this stuff. So we'll go ahead and click Create Funnel. So you come in here and you create the funnel, you create a campaign name that what you want, and then you're going to create a URL. That URL is going to be to techioz.com, which again has a certificate error and it shows up as an unsafe website. You saw that at the beginning of the video. So this is going to be an issue again. You can change your form. You can say I only want email or I only want name. You can see it's changing right here on the right hand side. If I click that again, so you can see that's going away. You can save it to an autoresponder or not, which means then it'll go under your subscribers right here that you can download as an Excel spreadsheet. So you don't need an autoresponder, but then you would need to download those contacts, those email addresses, and then you would need a way to follow up with them. Then you have the ability to select Get Response, MailChimp, ConvertKit, SendLane, ActiveCampaign, or HubSpot. So if you're not using one of these autoresponders, this product is not going to help you. Then you have the ability to select a list right here. There's nothing selected because I haven't created one. You do have some advanced settings. You can actually change your headline, new headline. So you do have the ability to actually change this out. And a subtitle as well. You can add an image or a video, and you can add some custom codes right there. Then you can move on to the next step. Here's where you have a default URL, which is a thank you page, or you could redirect to your affiliate link. So there is some more customization right here. Here you can add something like Commission Hero. It's going to change right here, and it's going to add Commission Hero to your thank you to subscribing, and it's going to be your affiliate link. Then apparently you have the ability to add an About Me section on your page, and you can move forward right here with the next step. Go ahead, we'll move on to the next step. You can see review your details and submit to create your funnel. We'll go ahead and submit. And so far, every time I've tested this, this is what happens to me, is I get these 3 little bouncing dots and nothing actually happens. And to get out of this, I have to reload the page, as you see right here. And then I wait for that page to reload. We're going to try this again because I think maybe what I need to do is I need to turn off the autoresponder because I don't have the autoresponder connected. That may be the error because it's not checking to make sure that my autoresponder is connected before I actually submit. And then when I submit, maybe it's checking for that. So we'll go ahead and we will go to the next step. And we will leave that right there. We'll select Commission Hero again. We'll leave that to defaults. We'll go ahead and go next step. And then now we'll submit that. And now let's see if we actually get our funnel here that we're going to have to provide to our audience. Because at the end of the day, we have to get this link out to our audience, either by free traffic or paid traffic. Of course, in the sales page that we'll go back to, you can see right here, you can get leads from free viral traffic. If you scroll down through here, you're gonna see, does it feel like an uphill battle? This is the #1 way is to use traffic. You need to rinse and repeat. So simple, so profit easily, 2-step funnels. So why is making money from funnels harder than quantum mechanics? It's because you don't stop and you don't think and you don't take the time to learn what you're doing. Again, you don't learn the foundations. They're going to tell you about how it's super simple here, about how they built this new technology, and the brand names keep charging from $97 to $297. Of course, those brand names being ClickFunnels, Kartra, GrooveFunnels, which is coming up and going to be a big player. And you can see right here, they developed this simple solution called Polaris that you only pay for one time. And Jono's going to tell you how great it is. You're going to come down here and you're going to see a random screenshot about how they made $14,910 using these ClickBank products. Again, where did they actually get these results? It's not to say they didn't do it and they're not promoting it, but I highly doubt they're using Polaris. But again, they may be using Polaris because it's their product and then they have the ability to customize it as they see fit. So the next thing I want to cover on the sales page is what will you learn in this free training, making $1,000 by lunchtime from this all-in-one platform. That means no more paying ridiculous fees, struggling to learn complex funnel builders, tongue twister. If you can't understand and learn how to build a funnel through a complex funnel builder such as ClickFunnels or Thrive Themes or GrooveFunnels, then this is not the business for you. So spending $17 on the front end of this product is not the answer. And here is the kicker for me: no more paying for traffic. It simply is not the truth because they don't even give you free traffic training inside of the training. And now I'm going to go back and show you the training they provide you for traffic. And again, we still have the three little dots bouncing. I'm going to go ahead and reload that to break out of that. I never actually got access to my funnel. Again, this review is a little bit behind the curve because I didn't get my beta access originally. I had to go dig in and finding the actual password that was given to all JVs, not just me, as a beta access, as a bonus that I got when I purchased SynLab through Jono's link. So we'll go down here and we'll look at Polaris Tutorials, and I'm going to show you the training videos because they do provide training for the software. So if I wanted to get rid of those three little bouncing dots, most likely the answer isn't here. But if you ask me, a simple solution like this should be easy to use because they said no more complex, no more nightmares, no more headaches. But I do have a headache because those three little bouncing dots just won't go away. So watch that training, and here's what I want to do is show you the traffic tutorial videos because you saw on the sales page it did talk about free viral traffic, and the three training videos that they currently have are Google search campaigns for Google Ads, Google display campaigns for Google Ads, and then keyword research tips. This is a 7-minute video. I did watch this entire video. It runs for about 5 minutes where it talks about how to use Polaris software, and then it has about a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes on how to use the keyword planner, where you take the URL of the affiliate product you're going to promote and you pop that into keyword planner, and it gives you a list of keywords based upon what that page is about, which is product name, affiliate marketing, and some other really high-level competition keywords that you'll never rank for in SEO without creating a massive authority blog or paying out the nose in a highly competitive market inside of Google Ads. So again, those are your trainings right there. Traffic and Sales Academy is an upgrade because when you click on that, you're going to see you're going to get an Upgrade Now button, which is going to take you to another sales page to purchase more products. And that's what I want to focus on right now is the rest of the funnel inside of Polaris if you are to buy the front end, which I do not recommend. So when you get into Polaris, you're going to buy the front end for $7. There's going to be an upgrade for $47, a downsell for $37, which means they're going to take something away, or they're just going to take $10 off and take nothing away. That's typical for these funnels. $97 upgrade, $197 upgrade, another $179 upgrade. If you were to spend all the money and all these upgrades, tally that up, how much hosting do you think you could provide yourself with and build an actual real business? Probably about 6 months worth of hosting. And again, a free page builder, GrooveFunnels, or a 14-day trial to ClickFunnels to learn all this information and watch some videos, maybe like the videos here on this channel about how to actually get free traffic. And here you're going to see these are the value-packed options. You're going to get the basics, you're going to get the Pro Edition, which is going to give you more traffic and sales training. Of course, they promised you free traffic or free viral traffic training inside of the front end. They didn't deliver. And you can see here, these are the other upgrades: high ticket done for you funnels and limitless traffic. This is basically getting traffic based off of taking your Facebook pixel or your Google pixel and sticking it on a Jono Armstrong and his partner's sales page, and then retargeting that traffic. Again, more paid traffic solutions, no more free viral traffic solutions that I can see inside of this funnel. And that is a quick look inside of Polaris, the software. I actually don't have a problem with the software itself, except for I couldn't get it to work. But the simple idea of using a done-for-you system like this, getting inside, seeing where products are, how to find the affiliate links for them, watching some training on how to do Google Ads, even the training on the keyword planner. If you don't know how to use the keyword planner, is it worth 17 bucks for that 2 minutes worth of training? It's pretty good. It'll give you a direction on where you need to go and the things you need to start learning how to do. But at the end of the day, building squeeze pages, landing pages, thank you pages, and finding good affiliate offers are foundational building blocks that you must learn if you want to build your own online business and become an effective online marketer and actually make any money in this business. So my recommendation is no, thumbs down for Polaris, simply because it doesn't give you what they promise on the sales page, and you'll get trapped inside of this funnel and you wind up losing a lot of money because you will be completely frustrated with the options that you have, which are all going to be training videos on paid traffic, even though they told you free viral traffic was part of the training. And as you can see right here inside of my JV beta access account that I got access when I purchased SendBuddy 2.0 through Jono's link for my bonus access to do this review for you, you can see there's no free viral training traffic. So if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, 30-minute timer right here. Click that, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like the ones you see right here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.